So I had this leftover seed container and I'm gonna grow some sunflowers in it. This is the plant they came from. I just pruned it. So it just kind of clusters. And look, bee, wanna bee. Griffin wants to come outside. There you go. And I said I'm going to, instead of just tossing them away, to actually harvest some of these seeds and try to plant them. Because it can't really hurt since I already have this already made. Because I tried growing the bachelorette buttons in it, and one grew, but then it got flooded and the one died. This is the bachelorette buttons. There's the sunflowers I just planted, that are also Griffin seed. Okay, I took out all the seeds from the sunflowers, and I don't think they're that good of specimens. So you want to see how not to plant sunflower seeds? Yeah, there's a little butterfly. Okay, so not to do it. They should be dried and done properly, but since I don't really care about this one because I don't think it's gonna work and I had the leftover dirt, I'm just gonna do this. And if it grows, it grows. If it doesn't, no biggie. It's kind of what's fun about planting, is experimenting. Sometimes things work. More interested in this butterfly. Okay, but if it does grow, I'll keep you guys updated. Butterfly.